Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to DPSG Sihor. DPSG Sihor is located in Gram Barkhedi, which is 7 kilometers away from Sihor and 30 kilometers away from Bhopal. It is on Sihor-Bhopal road. DPSG school is run by Sahib Shiksha एवं Samaj Kalyan Samiti Bhopal. This school area is 17,850 square meter. Let me move inside. I will ask guard bhaiya to open the door. We take all precautions and safety measures over here. You can see that register is there and all kind of precautions, safety measures are taken by us. This is the guard room and stock room for keeping all the material, all the store things, and washroom is also there for our support staff. You can see. This is the volleyball court for our children to play. This zone. Covered by boundary walls. So all kind of safety and please come. Now you can see it's a huge area, properly ventilated, neat and clean. This is our reception.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
This is the lobby for visitors. You can see everywhere there are CCTV cameras and whole school is under the surveillance of CCTV cameras. This is our administrative office where all kind of administrative work and account work is done. Separate cabins are made for different people where they can work smoothly. You can see all kind of facilities are available here. Printing machine is available. All computers are available here. This is the chair for our administrative officer, Mr. Amit Chaudhary. Now come to the principal's room. Before that, I would like to show our school children are houses divided into different houses. Narmada house, Betwa house, Shipra house and Tapti house. And these kids perform different activities throughout the year enthusiastically and they thoroughly enjoy. This is the waiting area for parents, so they can feel comfortable over here. This is principal's cabin, principal's office. Welcome to the principal's office. Now you can see here, there is a huge space for conducting small meetings with the teachers, with students council as well. These are all the academic records. Different files are kept over here in my cabin. You can see that there are different trophies won by our kids in different competitions. These are the washrooms for girls and for boys as well. This is for staff. You can see different quotations are mentioned here to give a beautiful look. It is our assembly hall cum activity room. All sort of activities are conducted over here. We have a music facility, we have a camera facility over here, overhead projector facility is also available here. So all sort of activities can be easily done in this activity hall or assembly hall, you can say. Now this is our wellness room. If any child feels sick, they can come, they can rest over here. All first aid facility is available here. We keep the wellness record as well. They can rest over here. All little bit of comfort is here, so they can relax, they can chill over here if they are not well. You can see the drinking water facility as well, and separate toilets or washroom for our kids, boys' toilet. Now come to chemistry lab. Hello Nazim. He is Mr. Nazim, our chemistry teacher. So hard worker.
This is
Yes, Nazim, you can explain.
this is our chemistry lab. Different posters are there. In which you can see laboratory safety signs are there. Modern periodic table is there, and claim test colors are there. These are some laboratory equipments for different type of practicals. Funnels are there, volumetric flask are there, conical flask are there. Here you see these are the paper litmus test paper by which we can identify acid and base. This apparatus is basically used for titration. This one is burette and burette stand is there, conical flask is there. This one is pipette to suck out acid or base. Here you can see the rack, which is basically for reagent bottles. We kept reagents, different type of chemicals in these reagent bottles. here you can see the volumetric cylinders are there. The bottle in which we kept distilled water in it. These are basically used for mixing chemicals. This is our board. Here we explain experiments. There is an experiment of titration by which we can calculate the unknown concentration of any acid or base by using acid-base titration. Thank you.
Thank you, Nazim. Now we will come to our physics lab.
Here is our physics lab. Here you can see the electronic balance. We can measure here balance. Different type of chemicals are balanced in here. You can see the Ohm's law apparatus. This apparatus is basically used for calculate the relationship between voltage and current. Here you can see different boards are there. These boards are basically used to used for practical of reflection of light. These are glass slabs and prism are also there. These prisms are basically used for dispersion of light. We can do the practical of dispersion of light. These are some posters of spherical mirrors. These are some dimensional formula of physical quantities. And this one is poster for reflection of light. This is basically to calculate weight of any substance. Here is our rack where we kept different type of apparatus. Just you can see the boards are there, glass slabs are kept here, the magnifying glasses are there for different types of experiments. Here you can see spring balance is also there, by which we can identify the Archimedes principle. Here you can see Vernier calculus are also there to determine different here is a board where you can see the practical of reflection of light. When light travels from a rarer medium to denser medium, it gets deviated from its normal path. Here its diagram is also there.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Now we will move to our biology lab. Good evening. Hello Shazia, how are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I am also fine, Shazia. Now Shazia will explain about the biology lab.
Yes, sir. So as you can see here, this is the chart of food chain and food web and forest ecosystem. And we have some sheets of types of animal tissue, heart, digestive system, human digestive system, and this is the human torso. And this is again the chart of kidney, skin, urinary and excretory system. And here, these are the microscope. And we have kept over here the slides. And this is the prism. And here, this is the human skeleton we have. And this is the description of this human skeleton. And then the full information you can see here. And these are the bone names, the full description of bones of human being. And this is again, these are the some charts of plant features, plant cells, and this is the information of skull over here, and the few specimens have kept over here, and all these things we have kept in our bio lab.
Very good. Thank you.
Sure. As we have explained that this is the double circulation of blood in human heart, this is the flow chart, and we can see over here this is the lung, this is right atrium, right ventricle, body parts, pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood when there is a full explanation we can see in our 10th syllabus in science. There is there is some topic in double circulation of blood in human heart in lesson human life process.
Okay, thank you. You can see here we have multimedia facility also. So student can also see the live examples through internet. Let's move to the library. Library is definitely a very important place for any school. Hello, Indu ma'am. She is our librarian.
Hello, sir.
Now you can see all sort of newspapers are also come here, so students can read daily newspapers. You can see a vast range of books over here, starting from magazines, different sort of magazines are here, then as well as the important books. You can see a wide variety of books over here for different science, accounts, social science for class 11th and 12th, physical education, social science for different classes. So huge variety of books are available in our school. You can see we have a photocopy print for students. If students feel that they want to take the photocopy or print out of any book, that is easily available. You can see a very good space for students to sit over here and read the books. It's a very calm and cool atmosphere over here. This zone is for kids, so books are available for small kids. They can come here, they can enjoy. All sort of books are available for different subjects. It's for English, for mathematics. You can see huge range of books over here, Hindi, computer, Sanskrit. Different registers are maintained by our librarian. Same register, same record is maintained through computer as well.
Thank you, sir.
Let's move to the first floor. for grade 12 science. You can see the classroom is so big, enough space is available. Now this is the requirement of the need of you can say present, which the proper distancing is required to maintain, social distancing is required to maintain. So our rooms are fully equipped in that way only. Use space is available, and according to the CBSE norms, we follow the CBSE norms, the capacity of the class according to the CBSE norms. You can see the multimedia projector is here, so internet facility is available here for the explanation. This is the flow. This is for commerce, class 12. This is for grade 11 commerce. Similar structure for class 11 science. This is for washroom for ladies, for girls. You can see proper facilities available. We can take care of all such things. Hygiene. This is co-chairperson's cabin. Now we are entering into the coordinators and examination cell zone. Huma Khan. She is coordinators in the middle school. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
We have a different examination cell also. We keep all the examination material over here. All the copies and everything, the question papers are under the security of these coordinators, so they can take proper care of all such material, which is very essential and important material. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now we will move towards computer lab. Hello, ma'am.
So this is our computer lab. We have 50 number of systems in our lab, and the server room of computer lab is this.
You can see enough computers are available here for students.
All the necessary softwares and hardwares are installed in all the computers.
That's great. Now we have conference room for teachers, different conferences, workshops. You can see a great ambience over here. As soon as we enter over here, you may feel so great. Huge space is available for our teachers. We can conduct seminars over here, workshops over here. You can see the projector facility is also available here. So we can conduct our seminars and workshops very easily. Let us move to the multi-purpose hall. All sort of sports equipments and music and every sort of different activities equipments are kept over here. You can see different sports equipments are kept over here. Football, basketball are kept. These music equipments are also kept here. All sort of music equipments are available here. So it's a multi-activity room, you can say, multi-purpose room, you can say. can see different pictures, posters here to attract small kids. Different poems are also written over here. A vast space is available for these small kids, and we have also taken care of all social distancing, the correct norms of schools. This is a big screen for them to show the videos, to show animation films. Early childhood care activities are also easily performed in our school. So this is all about my school. You can see our school DPSG Sihor is growing day by day. Definitely this year was a very challenging year, all of us know. From the beginning of the session, nobody realized that the things would be like this. But we accepted the challenge. We know that challenges are the part of the life. When our school started, in the first time, we didn't realize that how the things should be flown, should be grown. But I took the challenge. I accepted the challenge. And I conducted most of the activities virtually. And it was possible only and only because of the competent staff. Without great teachers, we cannot do anything. So teachers play a very important role in the progress of the child. Time is always challenging, but teachers is the only fraternity in the world who accepts the challenges. We also accepted the challenges in a different way. We realized that this is the virtual world, this is a virtual reality which we have to accept. And we did our job in a very great way. We conducted all the lessons, all the activities through virtual mode. We conducted Literary Fest through virtual mode. We conducted our Fit India movement through virtual mode. So these are the different activities, these are the different sort of things which we performed throughout the year. So I feel really privileged and proud that being a principal of the school, I accepted all the major challenges, all the things which came in our life. Thank you so much.